Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of papaya, a tropical fruit that's not just delicious, but also packed with incredible health benefits. In this video, we'll explore why papaya is often hailed as a superfood and how it can enhance your overall well-being. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, papaya is a powerhouse of nutrients that many people overlook. We'll also uncover some surprising facts about this fruit that might just inspire you to incorporate it into your daily diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about natural remedies, you'll find valuable insights that can help you make informed choices. So, stick around as we peel back the layers of papaya and reveal how this tropical delight can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Get ready to discover the amazing benefits of papaya that will leave you wanting more. Nutritional profile of papaya. Papaya is not just a tasty treat, it's also a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. One of the standout nutrients in papaya is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting your immune system and promoting healthy skin. Just 1 cup of papaya provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Additionally, papaya is rich in folate, a vital B vitamin that supports cell division and is especially important for pregnant women. But that's not all. Papaya is also loaded with antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and lycopene, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating papaya into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious fruit, but also giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, let's celebrate the incredible nutritional profile of papaya and its numerous health benefits. Digestive health benefits. Papaya is a fantastic ally for your digestive health, thanks to its unique combination of enzymes and fiber. One of the key enzymes found in papaya is papain, which plays a significant role in breaking down proteins. This makes it easier for your body to digest meals, especially those rich in protein. In addition to enzymes, papaya is also high in dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining digestive regularity. Fiber helps to bulk up stool and promote smooth bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation. For those dealing with digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome or bloating, incorporating papaya into your diet may provide relief. The natural compounds in papaya can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, making it a gentle option for sensitive stomachs. Overall, adding papaya to your meals can support a healthy gut and enhance your overall digestive wellness. Immune system support. Papaya is a fantastic fruit for boosting your immune system, primarily due to its impressive vitamin C content. Just 1 cup of papaya provides more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin. Vitamin C is known for its vital role in enhancing immune function by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. In addition to vitamin C, papaya is rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help combat free radicals in the body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to weakened immune responses. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, the antioxidants in papaya contribute to overall immune health. Several studies have highlighted papaya's immune-boosting properties, showing that regular consumption can lead to improved immune responses and reduced inflammation. Incorporating papaya into your diet is a delicious way to support your immune system and promote overall health. Skin health and beauty benefits. Papaya is not only a delicious fruit, but also a powerful ally for your skin health and beauty. Packed with vitamins A and C, papaya promotes a radiant complexion by encouraging cell turnover and collagen production. Vitamin A helps to keep your skin smooth and youthful, while vitamin C brightens the skin and reduces the appearance of dark spots. Moreover, papaya can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with skin conditions like acne and signs of aging. The enzyme papain in papaya helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reduce inflammation, making it an effective natural remedy for acne-prone skin. Additionally, its antioxidant properties combat free radicals, which can accelerate aging. You'll find papaya featured in many skincare products, from masks to creams, and it can also be used in simple home remedies. Applying mashed papaya directly to the skin can hydrate and rejuvenate, making it a versatile ingredient for achieving healthy, glowing skin. Weight management and metabolism. Papaya is an excellent addition to any weight management plan thanks to its low-calorie content and high fiber levels. With just about 60 calories per cup, papaya allows you to enjoy a satisfying portion without the guilt. The fiber in papaya not only aids digestion, but also plays a crucial role in controlling appetite. High-fiber foods help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking between meals. Incorporating papaya into your diet can promote satiety, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Its natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for sugary snacks, providing a healthier alternative. Additionally, papaya's enzymes, particularly papain, may help boost metabolism, further supporting your weight management efforts. Including papaya as part of a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can enhance your overall health while making your weight loss journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Conclusion. In summary, papaya is a remarkable fruit that offers a wealth of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your diet. With its high vitamin C and A content, papaya supports immune function and promotes healthy skin. The presence of enzymes like papain aids digestion, while its fiber content helps with weight management and appetite control. Additionally, the antioxidants found in papaya combat free radicals, contributing to overall wellness. By incorporating papaya into your meals, you can enjoy not only its delicious flavor, but also its numerous health advantages. Whether you add it to smoothies, salads, or enjoy it on its own, this tropical fruit can enhance your health in various ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Stay tuned for more health tips and insights that can help you lead a healthier lifestyle.